Now that we're experiencing wind chills in the 20 to 30 below zero range, heating issues are popping up in homes.
When heat is definitely needed the most. So our Derek James went along for a service call in Plymouth with a failing furnace.
Lots of heated blankets at night.
That's how WCCO executive producer Tracy Perlman has been combating the cold in her home.
We have been hovering at 61 to 63 degrees since this weekend. So I cranked it up to 71 just to see if I could get it to get any hotter in here, and it's not budging.
Perlman knew something was wrong with her furnace.
I checked the filter, the pilot light is on.
And then she called a technician to come fix it.
Hello, welcome, come on in. Good.
Marsh Heating and Air Conditioning allowed us to follow along as Evan Partridge diagnosed the issue.
Has it been looked at in a while, or?
I haven't, no. It's probably been 2 years.
Sometimes it's as silly as people just leaving registers shut.
Along with checking the filter and pilot light like Perlman did, the company also recommends you check the thermostat to make sure it's in the correct mode. Inspect the blower, which includes resetting the furnace breaker. Check the gas supply to make sure the valve is on. Inspect the flue, check for blockages caused by birds or debris, and for high-efficiency systems, clear the drain pipe.
So it handles condensation, so it has this removable drain trap I'm going to clear with hot water.
After running additional tests, Partridge knows what's needed to get the furnace running like it should.
This one, I needed to clean the flame sensor, and then also the inducer motor is really noisy and overdrawing amps. So I do believe we should replace that.
Partridge says the problems that caused Perlman's furnace failure could have been caught during a routine checkup.
I feel really dumb because we tell people every winter, get your furnace checked, do all these things, and I was like, yeah, it's fine. And then, lo and behold, that's the reason my house is cold.
Yep, I just checked in with Tracy a little while ago. Still 63 in the house, but they are going to have to come back to replace that inducer motor that they were talking about. And my understanding is that's a big fix because it pulls air over the heat source, and that's what pushes it out through the vents. Because when I went in her house, it was running. It's just the air was like a lukewarm air that was coming out.
What did you think of the suggested, things to check, Jeff? Because some of those were like, I don't think I'm realistically doing those.
I would have to fire up a YouTube video alongside it. But
you can do the filter easy.
Yeah, the filter part, yes. That's one thing my wife and I learned when we bought our house. But I was getting coupons in the mail for those yearly checks.
Yeah.
And same thing with Tracy. I talked about it with my wife. Well, we had a guy come out 2 years ago, so then we thought it's been 2 years. It's probably fine.
It's fine. It runs fine. Yeah.
Maybe we need to make that frequency a little tighter.
One other thing that Partridge mentioned that I think is key for anyone that is thinking about service, he says to beware of any heating and air companies that have high pressure sales tactics. If something doesn't feel right and they're saying this is a major failure and you're going to need to replace the unit, or you're going to go out there and talk to somebody else.
All right, good stuff. Thanks, Derek. Yep.